What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of the vlog. And Carly and I woke up today a bit earlier because we're heading to the gym. We usually gym at 4:30 in the afternoons, but today is 8 o'clock. So got up at 7:30, just before 7:30. I only went to bed at like 3. I think I had like 4 hours sleep. But that's okay, because I'm excited to head to the gym. And I just touched my nose again. I need to get rid of this habit. I don't know why I'm touching my nose. I don't know what this is. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that, and I'll be back after the workout. And then we're heading to PE because Carly needs to get her lashes done and a few other things and do some shopping, and then we'll be back again. So see ya. I'm dead, bro. I'm really dead. It's fun in games. It's fun in games until he kills you. Hey Ruby, what's up, bro? Hey pup. Look at this doggy. Hey Ruby, look at the camera. Anyway, workout was good. Did legs, can't walk. Feels like I've got jelly on my legs. On my legs. It doesn't even matter. I can't do things straight right now. I need to jump through a shower, and then we need to head to Port Elizabeth. I'm actually tired and white in the face, pale face. But it's good though. I think Carly can walk. All fresh, showered, ready to go. Heading to PE. I'm running late because I had to take care of one or two things. And Carly's not very impressed. Okay, so done in PE, just picked up Carly from the lashes. It's a quick turnaround, and now we're heading back to Jacques because Carly's got some important stuff that she needs to take care of. So, see ya. Okay, well, before we head back to Jacques, we're first getting Nando's. As you saw in Calgary, we had Nando's chicken, and let's do a drive-through Nando's. That's what we're gonna get right now.
So many bruises to
Okay, all done. Heading back to the car and then back to Jacques because we are running late, as always.
so many hearts overflow. So many oceans.
So Carly and I got back from PE a couple of minutes ago, and I saw there's a pretty cool sunset that went down, which I think I missed, unfortunately. But I'm gonna set up the drone anyway and see whether we can't get a couple of cool shots just of the wind farm around here. Let's see if there is anything to be seen above ground level. So yeah, let's take it away.
Pretend